Hey there at Catalyst. My name is Donald Cunningham, and I wanted to go over some things you can do today to improve your online presence and bring you more customers through your website. I have your website up here, and it's looking good. Very good looking website. And the few things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, your content is anything that appears on your homepage. That's including words and pictures. Your site looks very good. I like the way the pictures and words are moving in and out. Very good looking site. Okay, now it's been found that Google uh, ranks sites higher when they have between 1,500 and 2,500 words on their homepage. So you have about 1,400 words, 1,450 words on your homepage, which is very good. You're close to the 1,500. But now on top of the count on the words, you need to have keywords that people are going to be using in searches to find you. Okay, this is a tool that I use called Uber Suggest, and I ran your site through an audit. And this is what we came up with. You have 493 organic keywords that you're being found for, which is very good. If you click on here, you can see all the keywords that you are being found for. Okay, the second thing we wanted to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one website links to another website online. And the site being linked to, it gives the site being linked to authority. It's like giving that site a recommendation. So the more backlinks you have linking to your site, the better it is. And then, but not only that, you want to have make sure that they're relevant backlinks, meaning that it's something related to your industry or your business. Okay, now it shows here that you're already being found for 355 backlinks, which is great. Okay, now this is the website of one of your top competitors, and they have a good looking website too. But their word content on their site is much more than yours. Theirs is over 2,000 words of content on their home page. So in order to rank higher than them, you would have to have probably I would say a minimum of 2,500 words on your home page. Okay, now this is the audit I ran of your competitor in Uber Suggest, and you can see here they're being found for 1,448 keywords. You can take a look here, and we can see all the keywords that they are being found for. It looks like most of them at the top are being found for their name. Then there are other keywords. If you go down here, there will be other keywords that are not necessarily looking for them, but it's causing their site to be found. So then what we would want to do here is include some of those same words, some of those same keywords in your content, which would also cause your site to come up when those keywords are used. Okay, now let's take a look at their backlinks. Now they have 1,320 backlinks linking back to their site. We can take a look at those, and then we can see what sites are linking back to their site. And then what can be done here is you can get those same backlinks linking back to your site. But then in addition to that, you want to get even more sites linking back to your site, which give you more authority than your competitor and give you a higher ranking, Google ranking. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk about is citations. Now right up here I have the results of a Google search, and then over here is your organic listing, and over here is our map section, which we call the map pack. Now what your citation is your name, address, and phone number, also known as the map. But sometimes you can see them right here in the organic listing. But then if you click here, it brings up the Google profile, and then you can see the name, the address, and phone number, which is also known as a NAP. But the important thing about your citation or your NAP is you want to have it listed in online directories. I'm talking about Yelp, BBB, Yellow Pages, and so on. And there's also a couple of hundred other directories that your NAP could be listed in. What you want to do is you want to, there's a site called Bright Local, and on that site you can see exactly what directories your competitor is listed in, and then we can match those for you. But then in addition to that, you want to get your NAP listed into even more directories, which would give you more relevance in a Google search. Okay, well, that's it in a nutshell. Those are the things I wanted to talk to you about. We went over content. You want to have, in this case, you would like to have a minimum of 2,500 words on your home page. But in addition to that, you want to include keywords that your competitor is being found for. Keywords that your competitor is being found for. And then we talked about backlinks. You want to have more backlinks linking back to your site than your competitor, which was going to give you more authority than your competitor. And then you want to have more citations listed in your online directories than your competitor. And all of these things will give you a higher ranking, higher Google ranking. So I hope this information has been informative for you, and you like what I've showed you. Thank you for watching the video. Now, if you have any questions, or if there's any other things that I didn't go over that you would like me to cover for you, please give me a call, 714-473-0269, or you can take these things that I showed you and you can do them yourself, or if you would like a quicker, more effective route, you can give me a call. Again, my name is Donald Cunningham. The number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you, and you have a great day.